Jacob Rodriguez, and I'm doing my 30-day project on How to Keep Your Volkswagen Alive by John Muir. This book was written for the do-it-yourselfers who take pride in doing their own work. The reason why I chose this book is because my family and I recently got a 1965 Volkswagen Bug from my grandparents in Washington. I found this book in hopes to learn how a Volkswagen works. It's a lot different. 1965 is a long time compared to 2017. I'm going to learn how a Volkswagen works. By doing so, this teaches me not only how it works, but how, in case anything arises, I'm prepared for fixing it. The topics that I chose to go over are as follows. How a Volkswagen works. So basically it's going to teach me how it runs, what parts do what, and what I need to look for. Also, how to drive a Volkswagen. Volkswagens are a standard, what they call them. It's not an automatic, but they have a clutch and you have to drive them with 2 feet. So basically I'm going to learn how to do that. Yikes. Maintenance is next. I'm going to learn how to do a 30,000 mile check to even just general maintenance. Also, how to keep your Volkswagen alive forever. Basically the biggest topic of this book. I'm going to learn how to restore it, how to also keep it from ruin. So, yeah, that's my 30-day project. So, it's time to replace the brakes. We're going from traditional brake shoes and a big old brake drum to now disc brakes with brake pads.